Hello viewers, welcome to Mauli's Kitchen. I am going to show you a very tasty dessert, Bread Rasmalai. Let's start. Switch on the flame, keep the flame in medium, add 1 liter of milk and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, keep the flame in low, stir it, and now add 50 grams of sugar, 2 spoons of fresh cream, few cashew nut pieces, few badam slices, few pista slices and few saffron. Mix it well and cook till milk becomes to 1/4 quantity. Stir it occasionally. Once it becomes 1/4 quantity, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, let's prepare bread pieces. Take a sharp edged glass and prepare round pieces. Bread pieces are ready, keep it aside. Once it is cool, add bread pieces, take it into a plate, refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours and serve it chilled.